Welcome to vlog 2 of the year.
Bro, if you get an actual Lamborghini, can we go to Bojangles? This is it.
Oh
wait, what if it's just the keys?
Just a car. And he's waiting around the corner waiting for me to pop out.
And I'm on his vlog team.
Don't mess with me. That's not cool. That's not cool. Alright, last week I was watching YouTube all day and I don't even know how I found it. But MrBeast is just doing a contest with Mischievous or something like that. Everyone is getting a car. You go to everyonegetsacar.com or whatever it was. Bought a $35 raffle ticket essentially. Ends up being 42 after tax or whatever it is. I honestly completely forgot about this.
This could be a $42 Lamborghini.
It's either 6,400 or 64,000 people get a Hot Wheel Lamborghini. 2,500 get like a remote control Lamborghini. 250 people get a battery powered like car when the kids drive in, like whip around. 4 people get a Lamborghini something Galeriano. I don't even know how to say it. I was gonna just get that. And then they get a $250,000 Lamborghini Aventador.
What? I don't know how happy Margot is right now that we're doing this.
I'm upset. I don't even know what it is.
It's a wait, is this the one that the little kids drive around?
Yeah, the kitty car.
I hope it's charged.
Why do we have this? Like, why did you even ask what it is?
You did get a Lamborghini though.
I'm 25 years old.
The keys to your new whip.
Thanks, sir.
I'm in the big leagues, told her don't miss me. Ballin' like Houston, ayy, feeling like Whitney. I need a bag, bruh, send it through quickly. I'm making his dog, like I'm in the big leagues. Told him that I gotta go, dawg. I'm riding the road, y'all. I think that I'm back in my bag now, so I need that go, y'all. Got hits when he throwing the fastball.
Oh, bro, look what you did.
I crashed the Lambo.
It's breaking, it's breaking, it's breaking.
Too much that I've been through, so I put it all in that rear view. Clean money in a black whip, got old problems with the friends new. Yeah, I'm in the big leagues, told her don't miss me. Ballin' like Houston, ayy, feeling like Whitney. Yeah, I need a bag, bruh, send it through quickly.
Just want to give a quick shout out to MrBeast. Thank you for the Lambo. You know, if you decide to do another one of these contests and want to upgrade us to a real Lambo, we'll make an even cooler video. Oh, and we didn't keep that Lambo. It actually went to someone who could fit in it.
Do you like it?
I'm making his dog, like I'm in the big leagues. Yeah, told him I'ma hit it out of stands. I deserve another 100 bands. I deserve another 100 fans. Told him this was always in the plans. I just did it cause they said I can't. Blowing euros when I'm down in France.